Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and entering header/footer edit mode. This exposes page numbering controls. Once inside, make sure you can see section breaks and formatting marks so you know where numbering might restart. You're not deleting yet, you're mapping. Note which sections display numbers and whether first page or odd/even is used. This mapping prevents accidental removal in only part of the file. Now exit header/footer only to prepare targeted removals. You now remove numbers section by section so you don't break unrelated formatting. First, toggle off link to previous when a section inherits numbering. This isolates edits. Then select the page number field in that header or footer and delete it. Don't delete other content. If the document uses different first page or odd and even headers, remove numbers from each variant. Once done in one section, move to the next and repeat until all visible numbers are gone. Finish by closing header/footer view and saving a version copy so you can revert if needed. If numbers reappear, inspect for residual page fields or overlooked section links and remove them. Sometimes a field was inserted in a text box or footer artifact. Use Print Preview to confirm success across the whole document. Troubleshooting tip: if numbering persists, show hidden formatting, remove any remaining page fields, and resave. That clears cached fields that sometimes reinsert numbers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.